we just want to remind you that we are the Upnlive show here on TGM Radio every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by Shushprint. We are produced by World Mag, and we are imploring you to go over to our YouTube channel to subscribe to our YouTube. Yeah, subscribe to our channel. Click the link. Subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified when our videos are uploaded.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, right about now, we have a man that is very multi-talented.
Yeah.
He is a promoter.
All right.
He is an artist manager.
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell him the 9-to-5 job because, you know.
I know them business.
I don't feel them business that. Ladies and gentlemen, KAHBOOM. KAHBOOM is sitting in our hot seat. Welcome to the
You know the man that
show,
said 1 tree.
1 tree. Yeah, good night. First and foremost, we have to just give thanks to the Almighty God. So we're there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man.
Because without God, we are nothing.
You understand?
That the people them to know, you know.
Tell them again, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Tell them
and
again.
thing. But boy, John, this epidemic here is really mad, you know. We are going and all of that and everything.
Yeah.
Still, so
Yeah.
we have to just prayer. Have to come through it and all of that. And
Yeah.
God just overcome all of this, you know.
Yeah. How are you doing in this time of health crisis? How are you and your family?
Yeah, man, my family, I'm a good man and everything all right with them.
Preparing for the soon oncoming shutdown?
Yeah, you know, they must say you have to get like food in the place and
Yes.
everything and stack up and thing after the toiletry and
Right.
necessary, you know, cleaning utensils
Yes.
and so forth. Yeah, man.
So are you one of the person that we're going out and panic buying like 20, 30 roll of toilet paper?
No, really, no.
No, really?
No,
Or
like
no?
them. No, man, no like panic thing like that, man, or anything. But we just have to have them things that's for necessity,
Okay.
hygiene purpose and
Yeah,
things. You know,
yeah.
already, you know, basically, yeah, man.
All right, then. So talk to us about who is KAHBOOM. Who is KAHBOOM? Who don't know KAHBOOM?
Basically, you know,
Who is KAHBOOM?
You know me, are the real. Who don't know KAHBOOM, don't know KAHBOOM yet.
They've
you
been
know.
living under a rock.
That means
Yes.
them they're under ground or
So under somewhere.
them not come out of them bed yet. Yeah.
Talk to us about what is it that you do. Who is KAHBOOM? What people know you for?
Yeah, people know me for definitely say, yo, me a youth I don't have the party scene and the vibes and yeah. You ever have a vibes and we're there already and thing. Was when music a drop and tune and knock and thing.
And foot a drop.
Yeah, so you know, so we're there and enjoy yourself and free flow. Cause you know when the tune knock, we just do so we just step out.
And it's not the alcohol, it's
Yeah.
the music.
Music
When the
bring them
music
vibe.
hits you, you feel no pain.
Yeah, exactly.
You
That's what Bob
understand?
said. No.
Cool, no man.
Yeah, man. So you know, I saw yo bonafide and thing. What we are is now is that as where you say, me I try to bring the clothing line. Me I say, me I step out with the artists as well. Me I say, as well. Me I try to do as well. And you know, me like the look. Give thanks and praise for all of the support from the
Yes.
people and the fans and people where I come out and say the artists are good and go behind him and give him support. So me appreciate that and all of that. And at the same time, I try to put myself out there too as a manager and thing. And try if I put out the clothing line. See that 1 tree.
See?
Yeah.
1 tree and next 2020 style and the KAHBOOM style.
All
1
right.
tree. Different seat there. KAHBOOM. On the back and 1 tree on the front.
From the front.
Yeah.
The 1 tree represent the 13 said where we come from. Kingston,
Kingston 13. So
Okay.
that's
So,
where you're
yeah,
from.
yeah.
So no
1 tree.
problem.
Okay. Let me just ask a quick question. How long have you been managing Itoki in terms of
You know, some
his
man
career?
took them and come and even know and took you alone. You know.
So talk to us a little bit more about your artist management role.
All right then. You see, my artist management role is the fact that me and Tuki them we are come from shipper ground days. And then me Tuki alone, me I talk about Culture Blacks, Breezy Wonder, Buzz Lights,
Yes.
D Black. We are talking about a catalog of
people.
artists
Yeah,
and
but-
this thing. But as we there and everything, people and family have to live and you know it's hard. We are try with the music. We not get much support them time. There come up people have to try find them jobs and to survive and stuff like that. But basically right now and everything, you know, I took it.
Yeah.
The persistence and the consistency from the artist is magnificent, man.
We can
Yeah.
definitely
I tell you that, man. I tell you
agree
how-
with that.
2019
Yeah,
absolutely
man,
a
you
big
know,
year for Itoki.
Yeah, man, I
like,
feel that and look on him different and
Big
thing.
up
I
to the
like
artist.
his word, I think
Ethics, yes.
his word ethic and the consistency and all of
Yeah.
that. So when we have that, we have to just look on it and I say, yo, yeah, you mean? Brother, you see a non-stop gear and the people them like your energy in the family. So you know, so I have to just keep finding the good tune, right tune, and the positive tune too. 'Cause we have to put out a positive message.
Yes.
It's not about and a woman and all them things there all the time. Sometimes we have to send a positive message because the music come from that.
Yeah,
You understand?
Yeah.
The message and the music come from that and everything. So, yeah, took it of all that.
Yes.
Calibre under his belt.
And
He's very a versatile artist. And
Yes,
people know
definitely.
Hold
Yeah.
on, have you played any vital part in I2K progression in 2019 rolling on to 2020 as the manager? Because we know like I2K been working very, very hard through 2019 and he bring it over to 2020.
Yes, well, so far still, I don't know, through this, COVID-19, as what them call it,
COVID-19.
or coronavirus. Yeah, the artist is now booked for a thing coming up in September near Urban Reloaded still.
Okay.
Oh, in
Which
Spain.
Cool, man.
in Spain and all of that
Cool,
and
man.
everything. So that is the courtesy of the One Link family and thing. Color Blacks, big up yourself and thing. The whole Birmingham clique, big up your whole self and thing. That's what I'm saying. So it's the next level of thing where I think where people are reach out and the link and thing and the realness. You understand? And people seeing what the artist is putting
Is
in.
doing, right.
So basically, yeah, you don't know the booking is up ready and everything. The artist is ready, people. So when I know so when ready, I took is ready.
So
They
we
can't
just
change and entertain the people. So the booking is there. That's where you can there. Find it on the Instagram, the Facebook and everything. I took it. Boom, World Music, boom, Jagan, 3735 said
Yes.
we come and everything. So you know the link and everything. You know where it go. You know where the strips go and everything, people. You know what go already.
Cool, man. And
Yeah.
so basically, with all that is happening, once we get the go ahead for Urban Reloaded, I took you will be live and living color for his
Yes,
supporters
man.
and
Yes,
his
man. And the
fans.
courtesy of the One Link family, of course,
Yes.
man. And a pot up and catch thing, man.
So one thing we want to find out. So
Yeah.
you have the artist management aspect of it, and you also have the promoter aspect of it. You are the promoter of Bar A Yuh Foot Part 3. Well,
Yes.
Bar A Yuh Foot event, which
Yes.
will be having its third stage in this year. Well, what
What
we're gonna
foot-
ask, what we're gonna ask is, with the ongoing event of COVID-19,
Yes.
how are you feeling in regards to the execution of that event?
Yeah, that's a very important question there because we have to be realistic is that what's going on. So I'm keeping a post on what the government is saying because we're not bigger than the government. We have
Right.
to work with what the government is saying.
Right.
So basically, anything we have to do with us don't say if anything further on, we postpone till further on. If it comes down to that, I'm just keeping our eyes up. So the option is still open that the dance is on.
Okay.
But depending on the whole
updates
situation
that is
and
provided
by the government.
Yeah, because
Okay.
because at the moment we realize that the Prime Minister of the country, Mr. Boris Johnson, giving us a day-to-day update on the different measurement that he put in plan.
Yes.
Like I heard that the school and certain the events gonna be locked down. Like today it was announced that he was locking down like pubs and movie theater and stuff like that. So you know, like small gatherings. So as far as we know, it's still on for now. But until we get more updates, what change are we looking for? If we come out tomorrow and say like all gathering within 20 people or less have to be cancelled or postponed or
Then
something.
we not have to cancel. I say, going on,
Okay.
we're not bigger than the government, brother.
Okay,
And
so
if
What
it-
we can do about that?
And if
You
it
know, the
doesn't reach to there,
Mhm.
what can we look forward to at Bar A Yuh Foot Part 3?
Yeah, man, I want to hear, man, and everything, man, and I be excitement, man. You know, we bring the party, you know, we bring the P to the party. The people them know that for me for that. So it's not no go on thing with that. That is not no problem. The people them know where you come and my thing or we make there anywhere with them are straight
Bare
vibes.
vibes.
So
Bare
imagine we having our own confinement, our own vibes. It's our next level thing.
and knowing that the virus is going around rampantly, like OCF could make the patrons feel like it's gonna be like some sanitizer when you're coming in, sanitizer at the
Yeah, man,
entrance, to the bathroom and stuff like that.
Then we'd have to get all the necessary precautions in place for very tackle that, isn't it? So we have to make sure we have soaps and
Soap
Hand
and
sanitizer.
sanitizer, all
sanitizer
these
and
things.
stuff and all these things for wash people wash them and wipe their hands and people should know that that's a
Regular.
every day. That's an everyday thing anyway.
No, soap and thing, but me I talk like get people and sanitize
No,
coming into the party.
No, but
ready for rave.
in our sense, even if in our rave, whether we work this COVID-19 before this happened, you don't know, so when you go to the bathroom for wash your hand. It's
Yeah.
simple, you know.
And we know we see people do it numerous times.
No,
They
man,
go
enough
to the
people going to the
toilets
toilet and them just go
them
and piss on them and go wash
them
them
hand.
too,
But
man.
no,
It's nasty, man.
No,
How are you, man?
no,
You
like
know that, man.
I
You
like
have to
how
clean,
like how
man.
the politician them must say like on if wash it hand and like is that thing what me hate. I'm not gonna call out a specific people.
Yeah.
The man them will have them hand down in them pants all the time like so.
Yeah,
And
it's not a good look,
it's
is it?
not a good look like cut it out like
No, it's not
They
very
got cut up.
Really
hygienic
keep
and it's
an
not
hygiene
very
up.
manly like
no.
either.
Disgusting.
Yeah, I don't really like, I
Sorry.
don't dig that style either.
But it's nasty.
No, it's nasty for sure.
Yes.
Can you come like you feel up your hand and then when you're bridging, you have to cut your hand for your
Yeah.
thing and all. No, I'm not on that. That's why some man are doing on the booming thing with some man either.
Yeah, that's real because
Elbow
like
greeting.
Yeah, man.
some
you know
of them
what
on
I'm
the road
saying?
like
Deal
this
with
all day, then you see them touch man and them greet man like, and
Nah.
like
We're not about that.
Yeah, man. You have to practice simple hygiene. You
It
have to know,
starts at home.
if you know, say you're up on the road up and down, family, the place full of germs and bacon.
Yeah.
Before you even go eat some food, you go wash your hands.
Wash your hand, man.
We learn them things from home. Mama teach you them things. The simple thing, 1, 3. You got the toilet scene where you just there and deal with that. And everything and blah blah. You come out, you wash your hands,
Wash your
fam.
hand, fam.
and so Mr. KAHBOOM, as they notice that we're getting from the government, have you been taking necessary precaution to keep yourself safe from the COVID-19
Yeah, man, and everything, man.
and your family safe as well?
Yeah, man. What we did and everything, man. Remember saying, the people them forgot say, yo, we are West Indies people. You have to know, say, if you done them thing there, you boil a ginger and your garlic and your thing them, you know.
Yes.
And get your onion and them thing and your
Turmeric.
lime and your thing them and squeeze them down, you know.
Yes.
And drink them thing and clear up the system at times. You have to wait upon them thing, you have to clean up, you know.
Yeah, for build up your immune system.
Yeah, man, because sometimes you don't feel weak and bathing and you know a cold full symptoms. So you don't get them thing and boil them thing and clear the system at times.
Right.
So you don't have to wait upon the special time when the disease are
Yeah.
gone to get them thing up, fam.
So since we're on this topic of the COVID-19,
COVID-19.
yeah. Let me just ask, what's your prediction where you think like the virus gonna clear up and go away?
Boy, yeah, you mean?
When is your prediction?
I can't predict that, you know. That's nobody for predict because
Yeah.
only God can predict things better.
When I think we'd gone back to normal like England.
Look, brother, the best policy we can set ourselves for that is that we pray to the Almighty God that this God does put a hand over us, people, and spare us. Because someone just get up and pray, be evil sometime, and I know say, yo, the Almighty is poor and full of everybody. Them forget that sometimes, brother. Because look on this simple thing we are going, even though, you know, say it feel like it's from man-made.
To me, it's not really simple because like from on this earth, I never see nothing like this before. I don't think you ever lived through anything like this before, and none of us, even our parents, I don't think ever lived through an epidemic like this.
I never experienced.
We have an
like
outbreak in a corner of the world, like the Ebola and the SARS and certain virus, like in certain places.
But it was contained.
This one is like it's spreading like wildfire, and that's what worried everybody about this virus.
It is very worrying for you because under that essence you don't know, and then under everybody immune system strong to able to survive. So you find some people are dead, so and them are deteriorate, and where them deteriorate, it's if you should experience that, maybe you would know have a different thinking completely. I've experienced that all that disease made that deteriorate that person.
That's true.
So in that sense, and then everything we have to still think positive and think safe for real.
To be honest, Joe, we have to give thanks about the time where this virus kind of come into play, because if it come into play like a month or two later, like a lot of people wouldn't make it because like it would have just come out of the summer when the virus would be at its peak going into the winter month. So that time immune system is a bit weaker because you're used to the warm weather going over to the flu time.
Yes,
exactly. So
because sometimes when the weather changes, we do get a little bit of flu symptoms.
Every Jamaican get that.
It's true. We all experience it for sure still. Yeah.
That's true. So let's see. If we keep a positive mindset and
that's what
COVID-19 does clear up quickly,
yes,
and things go back to normal, so to speak, what can we look forward to with working with Ituki and for the rest of KAHBOOM's brand, the One Tree brand?
And everything. You see, say we did that each time we upgrade the brand.
Yes.
And everything, the KAHBOOM brand. We have many different designs of it. You don't know, we try said we and everything. We like, people like it, some people don't like that style, some people like weird style. So we are trying to fit where you maybe you like.
Okay. So
we are doing it, we are play around with it.
Okay. So can people get custom made items?
Of course they can.
So how can we get the 1-3 KAHBOOM brand? How can people get in touch? Because me want to have
dear man and everything, man.
So jump in at the day. So ladies and gentlemen,
who
would like to be wearing the KAHBOOM 1-3 brand. The man said jumping at the DM.
Right now,
JAGON 3735. You know me study that?
Right now,
beer party coming out with inbox to the IG.
Right now, you know more when I them say KAHBOOM and I need to say Corona.
No man, I want you want me to look for the bag, man.
Yo,
Took you with the bag there.
More they say KAHBOOM Corona.
Where's the bag? Where's my bag there?
KAHBOOM.
You understand?
KAHBOOM. KAHBOOM. Yeah, you are going. KAHBOOM. Yeah, you are going. More when I them say KAHBOOM Corona.
Alright.
You understand?
You kill it, you know.
Yes.
The bag there, man.
So we have merch inside the building, yeah?
So, ladies and gentlemen, just bear with us for a few. KAHBOOM is going to be showing off a little bit of the merchandise.
So we have a bag of merch.
Alright then. So
All
we have
right.
1 tree them there.
1 tree in orange and green, so JLP and PMP together.
Alright, 1 tree.
Alright.
Yeah.
So it go good for every affiliation.
Everybody.
If you are labor right, it good for you.
No man,
PNP,
watch
good for you.
this down. Watch this down.
Ladies, it good for you.
Watch it. Little. This one is.
Me not deal with pink. Sorry, boss.
In a
I'm not
pink.
a girly girl.
Okay.
If you give me anything that is outside of pink, I'm fine.
Alright.
I want to say
sorry.
big up to Manchester, them locked in right now. You don't know, big up Cash them. Yeah, them
Big
locked in.
up Cash and Shaban, Eddie, Piggy, Specialist, everybody.
Whole Hotspot family.
Artworks
See
family,
that?
big up
Man
yourself.
got Jamaica. Alright, Jamaica, they come up and no watch me on. I'm dead, you know.
Big up
1 3
yourself.
6. Alright, big up yourself. See
Big
there.
up yourself. So, ladies and
This
gentlemen,
one is courtesy of KAHBOOM.
if you need
on the
merch,
1 3 brand.
jump over to his Instagram page, JAGON3735. And want to give a big shout out to Ituki, who's also in studio. My G, we love the work, we love the persistence, we love the consistency.
Remember 1 3 have our sweatshirt as well. So just go over to them Instagram page and look on the merch and you know
support black
One
businesses,
tree.
support the small businesses that are
That's a
in our
different thing.
sector.
That's
Yeah.
a different top.
because
Yes.
when you see any idea, you see them big brand there was some man around on them red bottom and them Louis Vuitton.
So that one
Them now come in a full party come buy nothing in a brother.
That
We have
one
to
I
remember
know.
that you know. Alright?
True.
that one I illuminates.
Alright, so this is a
Alright.
glow in the dark, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. So you know
Yes.
that's something there go.
So yes, so we want to say big up KAHBOOM. Thank you for passing through and chatting to us. So we can look out for, once the coronavirus thing has settled, we can look out for more stuff coming from the KAHBOOM family,
Yeah.
the 1 3 family.
Yeah.
Ituki and the rest of that crew. We're looking out for great things for you. Continue the great work that you're both putting in. Ituki and KAHBOOM. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. I want you, man, the artist,
Keep
man.
the positivity.
I want you, man, the youth have great potential. And I tell you, say, 2020, yeah, is coming like the real storm.
You might execute it well.
Yeah.
On way it's time to come unless the corona does smash it.
Definitely.
Go!
I know how I go on. It will postpone till the next year, so I
Till
just
the
one of them
next-
things
yeah.
there.
Yeah, man.
Keep up the great work, guys. We do appreciate it. And thank you for passing through. I mean, thank you for always being positive. You know, always showing a friendly face and a
Man,
smiling
them man
face
is a
and
family of the
always
Upper Life show.
supporting
Like always,
the
you know,
Upper Life
you know
show.
I took his
Big up on yourself,
when is
man.
a family of the show, man. You know, past you know the thing going on. When our
Yes.
furniture, you know, man. You know where the something go.
So for those people who don't know where Ituki's music is, his Instagram page, ITOOKIE.
Yes,
That's
music.
it. Music. Dot
Dot
world.
world.
A true.
Dot
Dot
world.
world. So support his
Dot
movement,
world.
support his music, support KAHBOOM and his clothing line, and support the Bar A Yuh Foot 28th of March if it is happening based on what the government says.
Yes.
Just go out and have a good
So
time.
people stick and stay, check out on them
Yes.
page.
Just go on.
to get information.
Yeah,
or
just
check
watch
our,
the page
or
and
check,
keep it
or
update,
check
man.
our page, or you can get from our page as well. The
Yeah, man, the
information.
people them just go and
Whether
watch
it's,
the grammar and so
yes or
I
not.
go on. We are watch where I go on like how now watch where I go on.
You
people.
understand?
It's
So big
simple.
up yourself, KAHBOOM.
Yeah.
Right about now, Dragon All Star gonna drop some tunes. Make
Yeah.
the people them have a
All
good
star,
time.
what me say?
Yeah.
Upnlive family, KAHBOOM.
KAHBOOM.
Loud
Tingo.
and proud.
Quickly,
Yeah, my man.
we
me
have
love
to
the
give
flick.
a shout out to
love.
all our Italian fans that are on the Instagram page.
Yeah.
Why? I don't know how to
No,
speak the
big up on
language.
yourself over Italy.
Yeah, man. How are you, man? The whole
Big up
Italy
on
big up.
yourself. Thank
Yeah,
you
the way
for-
it go.
KAHBOOM, I can speak
Thank you.
Italian.
Yeah, man. The whole here, listen. The whole people from the line from Canada too, you know. Big up the whole Canada same way. The whole youth, the whole USA same way. The whole New England, how we live.
Yes.
Big up London, England, said
Big up
we.
yourself.
Yeah, my people, all we have to do is just stay safe and we go and watch where I go on and look on to further on.
Yes,
Yeah.
no
Yeah,
problem.
for Bar A Yuh Foot part 3. You
Bar
hear
A Yuh
that?
Foot part 3. So Jugger now start to drop some tunes.
Man.
Yeah, we're gone rough a little bit round at the part. I feel him Lego now, you know. Dirty song Lego.